Can you hear me? All of you, can you
Yes,
hear
sir.
me? Okay. Aman?
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay. Vipasha, Anurag, CH, Glory, Rimpi, Rimpi is the first class to you. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the previous class, properties of determinants we have learned. Using the properties of determinants, how do we find the determinants of the different matrices we have learned. So in that part, I have asked you the question to you that one question I have asked you in the previous class. Third question. So the question is given to you 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9. 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9. 65, 75 and 86. The determinant of this matrix is equals to 0 we need to prove using the determinants. I have proved this one already and this can be done in only one step I told you. Any one of you if you try, any one of you if you got it, then please inform me. Shubham Karave. Okay. In one step only you can do this one. How? Did you try at least at home? Try kar liya? Riya. Any one of you please reply, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Anurag?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Did you get an idea, anything to find out in one step only you can do it? Very simple, you see here, if you do the sum operations on these two columns, these numbers you will get. Something should be multiplied to this and this should be added. Like that, something should be multiplied to this and this should be added. Just you think little bit. If you think little bit, then you will get an idea. Otherwise, it is not possible to you. Yes, Ankur, try. You are trying. Shayantan. Okay. No one. Okay. See here. If you multiply this column by the 7, sorry, not 7, 9. 9 sevens are 9 sevens
63.
63 and 2 65. 9 8 is 72 and 3 75. 9 9 is 81 and 5 86. So that means if you multiply this column by the 9 and if you add first column, then you can say C1 tends to C1 plus 9C2. This column is changing. Okay, this column is changing by this. So column 1 plus 9 into column 2. We are going to get here 65, here 75, here 86. This is 7, 8, 9. This is 65, this is 75, and this is 86. These two columns are identical. So since the two columns are identical, the determinant of this matrix will be equals to 0. Got it? समझ में आया? Did you get my point? Say
Sir,
yes or
it's
no.
again not clear.
Huh?
Not clear now.
It is not visible to you.
Yes, the board is not
No, sir.
visible.
Board is not visible. Now is it okay once you see?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what I did here in the previous problem, same logic. But here the two steps we are doing a test. In the last class I told you to split this one as a 63 plus 2, 3 plus 72 and 5 plus 81. Then after two matrices we have split that one. Two matrices. Then after splitting that into two matrices, then again same logic is applied. This here what I did here. This column is multiplied by 9 and it is added. This column is multiplied by 9 and it is added to the another column. So the first column, then you are going to get the same column 1 and column 3 as the same. So they are identical. So that's why the determinant of this matrix is equals to 0. Now you understood?
Sir,
Aman.
सर दोनों का सर C1 नहीं रहा सर, कैमरा को थोड़ा सर लेफ्ट साइड लेना पड़ेगा सर.
What?
C1 है ना सर?
Come on, turn
C1.
your phone. Rotate your phone.
You rotate your phone horizontally so that you will be able to see.
ओके सर, ओके दिख गया सर.
Okay. C1 tends to C1 plus 9 C2. C1. Why? See here, by observation is more important in this determinants and applying the properties. Only observation. If you observe it properly, in a proper way, so what is the relation between these two we are going to have that we need to observe. So in a one step only we got the solution here. Okay? So this one only I told you try. If you get any other idea also you can implement. Here it is not. The point is that only in one way you cannot solve it. So you can solve these problems in multiple ways. Your idea may be different from my idea. So that's why try to do like that. Next. Don't try to remember the steps. Logic you try to logic also no need to remember. If you observe properly the given matrix, then you will be able to understand 1, 1, 1. And BC, CA, AB. A into B plus C, B into C plus A, C into A plus B. The determinant of this matrix is substituted matrix. Usually what happens, whenever you are having, you do remember, whenever you are having 1, 1, 1 in any matrix, any determinant of the matrix, if you are having 1, 1, 1, then any two, this one minus this one you do, R2 minus R1, R3 minus R1 you do, these two we have to make it 0. So by the properties of the determinants, Determinants properties, you can subtract the two rows, you can add the two rows, or you can multiply the any row by the non-zero constant and add it to the any row, another row. So any transformation can be done. But if you multiply the any row by the any non-zero constant, you should divide it again that one, because directly you cannot multiply. So this point everyone have to remember in the properties of determinants especially. Okay? So any row directly cannot be multiplied. R1 tends to 2R1 directly you cannot do. So it is going to change. When you are multiplying by the 2, you should divide by the 2. When you multiply by the 2, you should divide by the 2. So now here this problem to solve, what can be done? Usually in all the problems, whenever you are having 1, 1, 1, whenever you are having 1, 1, 1, then better you make these two ones as a 0. Better you make the two ones as a 0. So here it is not essential. You can do in another method. If you do like that also, you will get it, but it becomes lengthy. Using the properties, we should find the determinant of the matrix in easiest way. Determinant of the matrix, we need to find in easiest way. So how do we can find? Observe, anyone? Any idea? No? Okay. So why do we waste the time? You see here, you add these two columns. I am going to write C3 tends to C3 plus C2. A and A add कर रहा हूँ, इसको change कर रहा हूँ. So what do you get here? 1, 1, 1 A ऐसे ही है. This is BC, CA, AB, and I am multiplying this. AB plus AC. And what we have to do? This one we have to add BC. Next I am multiplying B. BC plus BA. BC plus BA plus CA. Now if you see that this one, CA plus CB plus AB. What can you observe from this? What can you observe from this? Is it visible to you, Anurag?
Yes, sir.
This column is same, na?
सर तीनों से ABC
Yes, sir.
कॉमन जा रहा है.
I
can see, sir.
AB plus BC plus CA. AB plus BC plus CA. This is also AB plus BC plus CA. It is not in the same order, but everywhere you have common ले सकते हैं. ये factor को common ले सकते हैं. You can take it common. So what do you get here if you take like that? AB plus BC plus CA will come out. Then this is 1, 1, 1, BC, CA, AB, and this is also 1, 1. As the first column and third column are identical, as C1 and C3 are identical, as C1 and C3 are identical, the determinant will be equals to 0. 0. Actually, you are going to get here AB plus BC plus CA into 0. This is 0 determinant. So if you multiply by 0, then you are going to get 0. Okay? Did you get my point?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next problem is fifth one. This is very important. Actually, in this exercise, the remaining all the problems are lengthy, but they are easy, except the 2-3 problems. Even in examples, also some problems are there. If you see, this problem is little bit important and different. Fifth problem. So B plus C plus A plus B, Q plus R, Y plus Z. So it is given that B plus C plus A plus B, Q plus R plus S, R plus P plus Q. Next, Y plus Z, Z plus X and X plus Y. So this is equals to 2 times of the question I am writing here. A, B, C, P, Q, R. A, B, C, P, Q, R, X, Y, Z. This we need to prove. Is it visible to you? Someone joined.
Yes, sir.
No. Okay. Hello? Is it visible now? Okay. Now what to do here? We need to take this matrix, and this matrix we need to write this as a by applying all the properties. Properties apply करके this we need to extract. So let us do here. Whenever you are having the sum of the matrix, most of the students will get a doubt, and here I told you at the time of explanation of the properties. Properties when I am explaining, when the question is given to you like this, and most of the students will try to mistake that BC here, QRP, YZX in one matrix, and CAB, RPQ, ZXY in another matrix. No, you cannot write like that. You cannot write like that. So do remember that. So now here our intention is first, let us take the C1 along the C3. C3 लेंगे अब क्या करेंगे? B plus C, APX, BQ, Y. Yes. In any way you can do. Any column you take, any row you take. That row, along that row you expand it. So I am taking here. This we need to prove. This is what we need to prove. Do remember that. 2 times of APX, BQY, CRZ. Okay. So ABC, PQR, XYZ. Like that also you can do. So now I am writing this one as B plus C, Q plus R. Okay. Q plus R, Y plus Z, C plus A, R plus B, Z plus X. Here I am taking the first elements A, B, X plus C, B plus C, Q plus R, Y plus Z, C plus A, R plus B, Z plus X. Second element should be taken B, Q, Y. We have split this determinant of this matrix into the 2 parts along the row 3.
Sir?
Row 3 लेके split कर दिया. Okay?
Sir?
You can do in multiple ways this problem, but here it is not asking to you to find out the determinant of this matrix. This is equals to this we need to extract. We need to prove that. Further, we need to make them as a single elements. So now here let us take this complete determinant of the matrix you consider as some determinant, some matrix, determinant of some matrix. So this matrix you consider as some other matrix. Okay, so let us represent this one by the determinant of the split कर लिया ना हम लोग. So let this one separately ले लो. This one separately find out. This one separately find out. This one we will extract into ABC, PQR, XYZ. This one also will extract into ABC, PQR, XYZ. So that we are going to get the 2 times. So this one separately let us take. Now we are taking only the first part here, that is B plus C, Q plus R, Y plus Z, C plus A, R plus B, Z plus X, and the APX. This matrix determinant let us find out here in this row, and the second matrix also in the same way. So here if you see that from this row, this one if you subtract here single element you are going to get, isn't it? See C plus here minus this one you do, this row R2 minus R3 you do, either C होगा, either R होगा, either Z होगा, isn't it? So what I am doing here, R2 tends to R2 minus R3. इसमें से A subtract कर रहा हूँ. So what I will get here, B plus C is as it is, Q plus R is as it is, Y plus Z is as it is. And C plus A से A subtract, C आ जाएगा. R plus P से P subtract, R आ जाएगा. Z plus X से X The third row is as it is APX. Sorry, Z आ रहा है. Z plus X से X subtract कर लिया तो Z. Okay. Now this. If you see here, from this if you subtract this one, R1 minus R2U. इधर C चला जाएगा, R चला जाएगा, Z चला जाएगा. That means you are going to get R1 tends to R1 minus R2. So this, if you are applying this one, you are going to get it as a B plus C minus C. B, Q, Y, C, R, Z, A, P, X. But it is not as it is this one, isn't it? This one and this one is same. No, they are not same. So what to do here? If you interchange the R1 and R2, suppose we need this A, P, X upper, and if you interchange the R1 and R2, so what change we will get? Can anyone say? Anurag said something but not able to hear.
Sir, will it be interchanged?
Your voice is not audible, Anurag. When you interchange the two rows, what change will happen? What change will occur? Any one of you others? Ankur? Anurag is
Sir, it
saying
will,
but not audible.
the
to
rows
me.
will be column.
Whether only Anurag no problem or others you speak at least. Do you know or don't know? Is messaged. The rows spelling ROW, rows will become columns. No. Rows will not become the columns. R1, R2 is nothing but a row. ऊपर जाए. Sorry, R1, R2 ये R3, R3, R1, R3, R1. So R3, R1 place में जाएगा. R1, R3 place में आएगा. When we do like that, what change will occur in the determinants? In the properties we have learned. Then it will interchange. No? Determinant will be multiplied by -1. Sign will change. The first property, there are 6 properties are there. Once again, I am recalling the 6 properties. The first property is when you interchange the two, all the rows and columns, means transpose of the matrix, then the determinant will be same. Second one, if you interchange the any two rows or any two columns, then the sign of the determinant of the matrix will change. This is second one. Okay. Third one is when you two columns or two rows are identical. If the two columns or two rows are identical, then the determinant will be equals to 0. This is the next one. Okay. So like these 6 properties I told you. When you multiply the fourth one is when you multiply the one row. If you multiply the one row, means if suppose 2 into determinant of the matrix A, I said 2 into determinant of the matrix A, means 2 should be multiplied to any row, any one row or any one column. So completely not. Normally 2 into matrix A is nothing but the 2 should be multiplied to all the elements of the matrix. 2 into determinant of the matrix A is nothing but the 2 should be multiplied to the any row, any one row or any column. That means if you multiply the any row, if you want multiplying any row by the any non-zero constant, you should divide it compulsory. If you are extra, if you are taking here multiplying in something, that should be divided compulsory. So this is the fourth property. Fifth property is that when you transformations, any row transformations, if you take into consider, row transformations means you can add the 2 rows or you can subtract the 2 rows. You can add the 2 rows or you can subtract the 2 rows. Next one is any row transformation like this. What we did in the previous problem, I think so. We have it column 1 plus 9 into column C1 tends to C1 plus 9 C2. Like that, any transformation if you apply on a determinant of the matrix, then the resulting matrix, whatever determinant you will get, its determinant value does not change. Now here also R1, R3, R1 I am changing, R3, R1. So दोनों इंटरचेंज करके तो -1 should be multiplied with the determinant. ये ऊपर जाएगा, ये Px CR BQY. Again you interchange the first one is second and third. Second and third now you interchange R2 and R3. In this R2 and R3 interchange. So again one more -1 you get. -1 into -1, -1 square you get. And here what do you get? The first row is APX, second row is BQY, and third row is CRJ. So we are going to get -1 square is nothing. So we got this matrix determinant now. When you change this one, the same second one you take. By taking the second one determinant, second one is what is given here. The matrix is given to you P plus C, Q plus R, Y plus Z, C plus A, R plus P, Z plus X, B, Q, Y. Same logic you apply. Here single element is there. Wherever we are having B, that from this you subtract this one. From this you subtract this one. R1 minus R3. So either what do you get here? R1 tends to R1 minus R3. इसमें से ये subtract कर रहा हूँ. So what do you get? B चले जाएगा. B plus C minus B. B plus C minus B. So what do you get? C. Q plus R minus Q. So R. Y plus Z minus 1. Z. C R Z. Next C plus A, R plus P, Z plus X. B Q Y. Now what to do? This we have to make it as a single. So from this what can be subtracted? This minus this two. R2 tends to R2 minus R1. R2 tends to R2 minus R1. So when you do this one, what do you get here? C plus C and minus C. So C R Z first row is as it is. Second row is C plus C and minus C. A. R plus P minus R. P. Z plus X minus Z. X. B. Q. Y. Same. 2 times you interchange the rows because we need to take this one to here. This row to be here. So R1 and R2 interchange. नीचे आएगा. Next, second row will become CRJ, but second row is not CRJ. Third row. Again 2 times, one more time. So first step, what you have to do here? R1 and R2 interchange. So if you interchange, you are going to get APX ऊपर जाएगा, CRJ second row में आ जाएगा, BQY third row as it is will be there. Next again what to do? Second row and third row you have to interchange. Interchange second row and third row. So now third row will become second row will become third row, and minus 1 again multiply करेगा minus 1 square. Then you are going to get same APX BQY CRZ. So now this matrix is equals to APX BQY CRZ. This matrix determinant is equals to APX BQY CRZ. So दोनों को sum will be equals to 2 times. So we have proved that one. Did you get my point? समझ में आया? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt you are having? Did you understand? Please, any one of you reply
Yes,
whether
sir.
you are able to listen or not. Only Anurag is trying to reply.
Yes, sir.
Yes, at least yes you say or something, because I'm not understanding that whether you are able to listen or not. Aman is there? मोबाइल रख के किधर चला गया? No. Okay, maybe network problem is there. Don't think negatively, positively we have to think. Okay. The next problem is, did you understand this one? Shall we go for the next one? Shall we go for the next one? Any doubt is there? Anurag is typing something. Okay, sir. Okay. Now you see here, write in a proper way in your notebook. 3 chapters are completed. And this is 4th chapter is going to complete. And I didn't get at least from the one student, 1 chapter notes till now. At least 1 chapter also I didn't get. And from at least 1 student in the total class. So be serious about it. Make chapter wise one chapter PDF. Make it PDF and send it in a classroom under the assignment. Under the assignment. The next problem is determinant of the matrix. Here it is given that 0 A minus B. Problem number 0 A minus B minus A 0 minus C B C 0. Determinant of this matrix is equals to 0. We need to prove using the properties. Normally, if you expand it by any row or column, you will get it 0. Expanding any row or any column. But it is not asking to you to do like that. It's asking to you to using the properties. Now, what properties we will apply? Let us see here. What can be done? Let's see. Let us do here R1 tends to CR. This one you multiply by the C. Multiply by the C. When you multiply any row by the C, directly you are not supposed to multiply. Do remember this. Multiplying and adding any row, directly you can do it. When you are multiplying like this, you should divide it compulsorily, the determinant of the matrix, by that what you are multiplying. That means here 1 by C you will get it. You have to see here direct, you cannot multiply any row by the any non-zero constant. Is it visible to you? Because outside it is raining. I have a doubt. There may be a signal problem.
Sir, not so clear.
That's what I am saying. Because the rain has started. Clearly now नहीं दिख रहा है.
नहीं सर कुछ नहीं दिख रहा.
कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है. I got a doubt that outside the rain is started. Oh. Now is it visible? Is it visible? Any one of you please
Yes,
say.
sir.
No, sir.
Okay. No. Yes sir
सर
means
दिख रहा है सर.
दिख रहा है ना?
Yes sir.
Okay. If not means it is problem in your. One said yes means here the signal is okay. That you have to remember. Okay. So here the thing is that whenever you multiply the any row, whenever you multiply by the any row, okay, is it visible? So here I have multiplied the first row by the C1, C, because here as it is we are having C, this I multiply, I want to multiply by the C. So what you will get 0, AC minus BC minus A, 0 minus C, B, C, 0. This is the matrix here, determinant, okay? So next here, the determinant of this matrix is 0. That means we need to proceed in such a way that to get the any two rows are identical, we have to make the two rows identical. So if you make the two rows identical, then you will be able to say that it is using the properties. So now what we can do? See here. इसको जीरो करना, ये सी आ गया है, we got it here C, so ये C है, तो इधर ये एक्स्ट्रा है, तो ये भी, हाँ यस, ये completely multiply by the B, this row multiply by the B, okay, this row multiply by the B and separate, okay, let me write R1 tends to R1 minus B R2. So if you apply this one, 1 by C into R1 tends to R1 minus B R2 if you do. This minus this one, this minus this one, this minus B into this one. So minus को तो ये प्लस हो जाएगा, B multiply करते हैं तो ये इधर A भी आ जाएगा, you get AB. Next, AC minus B into 0, तो इधर AC आ जाएगा, minus BC plus BC हो जाएगा, इधर 0 हो जाएगा. From this if you take the ये common, ये बाहर common ले लिया तो BC 0 आ जाएगा, इधर भी BC 0 है, इधर भी BC 0 है, तो first row also becomes when you take the common A outside, then BC 0 you get minus A 0 minus C B C 0. Taking A common from the first row, taking A common from the first row से A common ले लो तो we are going to get A by C. So A by C here we are going to A common ले लिया है, B C 0 minus A 0 minus C B C 0. तो B C 0 B C 0 आ गया, B C 0 B C 0. Two rows are identical as R1 and R3 are R1 and R3 are identical. ये दोनों identical for two rows. Then that will be equals to 0. This determinant A by C. So A by C into 0 is equals to 0. See here, these two problems only little bit different problems. in this exercise. The previous one and this one only little bit different problems. The remaining all are little bit easy, and one pattern will be there in all the problems. Only one pattern will be there. That pattern, if you here identify, that pattern if you follow, you'll get the solution. The further coming problems may be little bit lengthy. Problems are lengthy, but logic will be easy. But here in these two problems only, here it is not only like this problem. I got an idea like this to do it. For making the two rows are identical, the determinant of the matrix will be equals to 0 when the two rows are identical and two columns are identical. To make two rows are identical, column identical, what can be done? That I thought, and I have changed it in such a way that they need to get it. Is it visible to you? आपको दिख रहा है?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, let us go further. Next problem here. The next problem is given to you. Minus a square. Minus a square AB AC. First row. Minus a square AB AC. BA minus B square. BA minus B square. In that minus C square will be there. Obviously, if you see that BA and BC will be here. CA and CB. This is equals to asking you to prove that 4a square b square c square. See here, taking out the factor a, b, c from the see a either है, b either है, c either है. Okay, so you can write here, taking out a comma b comma c from R1, R2 and R3 respectively. इसमें से ये कॉमन ले लिया टेकिंग आउट, तो ये आ गया है कॉमन. इसमें से b ले लिया, b आ गया. इसमें से c ले लिया, c आ गया. तो व्हाट इज लेफ्ट ओवर हियर? माइनस a. हियर you say along with me if you are able to see. Any one of you please reply. Okay, a will be taken common, where b will be there, here c will be there. In this b is taken common, means a minus b c, and from this c is taken common, b and minus c. And if you observe properly, first column containing again a, second column containing b, third column containing c. Again taking out the factor, a comma b comma c from C1, C2 and C3 respectively. तो फर्स्ट से A ले लिया, सॉरी गलत है क्वेश्चन में गलत, ये सॉरी ये C A. So now what we will get here from this A, from this B, from this C is common. So which is equals to A, B, C, and then again A, B, C common taking means A square, B square, C square. ये क्या होगा? -1 होगा, 1 होगा, 1 होगा, 1 -1 1 1 minus. Now this one directly you can expand it, or you can make the any two rows are zeros. ये दोनों को add कर लो. एक one step, only one step you can do. R2 tends to R2 plus R1. R3 tends to R3 plus R1. A इसको ऐड करो, ये 0 हो गया. A इसको ऐड करो, ये भी 0 हो जाएगा. And expand along that one row. So what is left over here, which is equals to, here first you are going to have the A square, B square, C square. First row is not going to change. The second row is becomes 0, first one. And ये दोनों भी ऐड करना है, 0 हो जाएगा. ये दोनों ऐड करना है, इधर 2 हो जाएगा. और this side this should be added as per this step. R3 tends to R3 plus R1. R3 tends to R3 plus R1. So ये दोनों ऐड करना है. इधर 0 हो जाएगा. This side this should be added. adjacent this should be added. There is 0 over there. Expand around this one row. First one, first column. Expanding along the first column. So expand along C1. Expand along C1. So what do you get here? A square, B square, C square minus 1 into 0 into 0, 0 minus 4. So what do you get here? A square, B square, C square into minus 1 into minus 4. So plus 4, which is equals to 4A square, B square, C square. Problems are all easy. Same logic you have to apply in all the cases. Mostly simple problems, just taking out. Only the previous two problems what we have discussed, only little bit different problems. In the coming up problems, what problems it is given to you, all you can solve it. See here, 8th problem is given to you 1, 1, 1, 1. As you are having 1, 1, 1, I told you in the previous problem that to prove that matrix is equals, determinant is equals to something, some expression, you have to make the either any two ones as a zeros. Any two ones as a zeros. Okay. So this is a thing.